Hello students, today we are going to discuss the sixth numerical of hardness. Question is written as groundwater has pH is equals to 7.0 and concentration of bicarbonate, that is HCO3 negative, will be equals to 122 milligram per liter. Now we need to determine the alkalinity in terms of CaCO3. Now we know the formula of alkalinity, which will be equals to concentration of carbonate multiplied by 50 divided by the ionic weight of carbonate, which will be equals to 30, plus bicarbonate concentration in milligram per liter multiplied by 50 divided by 61, plus OH negative concentration multiplied by 50 divided by 17. Okay, now in the question bicarbonate is given and pH is given. Now from pH we can determine the POH. If pH is equals to 7, then POH will be equals to 14 minus 7, which will also be equals to 7. Okay, now we know the formula of POH, which will be equals to minus log with base 10 concentration of OH negative ion. Now if we put here POH equals to 7, then concentration of OH negative comes out as 10 to the power minus 7 moles per liter. Now we need to determine the concentration of OH negative in terms of milligram per liter. So I directly use the conversion, that is 10 to the power minus 7 into 17 grams. Now we need to convert it in milligrams. So we multiply it with 10 to the power 3 and the value will be converted into milligram per liter. Now we had determined the concentration of OH negative, that will be equals to 17 into 10 to the power minus 4 milligram per liter, and we also have the value of bicarbonate, which will be equals to 122 milligram per liter. So carbonate is not given, so it will be equals to 0. Bicarbonate will be equals to 122 into 50 divided by 61. Similarly, we have value of OH negative, which will be equals to 17 into 10 to the power minus 4 into 15 divided by 17. Now the value of alkalinity comes out as 100.005 milligram per liter as CaCO3. Okay, now we had determined the value of alkalinity in terms of CaCO3, which will be equals to 100.005 milligram per liter as CaCO3. Okay, now in the question pH is given, that will be equals to 7.0. Now from pH we had determined the concentration of OH negative, which will be equals to 17 into 10 to the power minus 4 milligram per liter, and this concentration of OH negative is used in the formula of alkalinity, and we had determined the alkalinity in terms of CaCO3. Okay, that is all about this question. Thank you very much, students.